Now students, we will do question number 9. The question number 9 is write 4 consecutive numbers that comes after. Question A to E are given here. We will write 4 consecutive numbers of these numbers. So let's start. The question number A is 79,697. We will write 4 consecutive numbers of this number. So we will add 1 of each numbers. So 79,697, we will add 1 from this number. So the number we will get 79,698 and add 1 of this number 79,699. After this number 79,700 and now add 1 in this number 79,701. So these are 4 consecutive number of 79,697. Now we will do question number B. Question number B is 3,49,998. So when we add 1 in this number, so we will get 3,49,999. After this 50,000. When we add 1 of this number, so we will get 3,50,000. Then again we will add 1 in this number, so we will get 3,50,001. And again we will add, so we will get 3,50,002. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will do question number C. The question number C is 29,73,499. So we will add 1 of this number to get consecutive numbers of this number. So we will add 1 of this number, so we will get 29,73,500. Again we will add 1 of this number, so we will get 29,73,501. Now same as 29,73,502 and last 29,73,503. Now we will do question number D. The question number D is here. Question is 5,84,703. So we will add 1 of this number, so we will get 5,84,704. Again we will add 1, so we will get 5,84,705. Same as 5,84,706 and last 5,84,707. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will do question number E. The question number E is 66,3,95,000. So when we add 1 of this number, we will get 66,3,95,001. Again we will add 1, so we will get 66,3,95,002. Same as 66,3,95,003 and last 66,3,95,004. So now our question 9 is completed. You will do this question in your notebook like this way. Now we will do question number 10. The question number 10 is write the predecessor of. As we all know that when we find out the predecessor of any number, we will subtract 1 from that number. For example, question number A, 64,999 is the predecessor of 65,000. Here we will subtract 1 from 65,000. So we will get predecessor of 65,000 is 64,999. Now we will do question number B. The question number B is given here 1,41,000. So here we will find out the predecessor of this number. So we will subtract 1 from 1,41,000. When we subtract 1 from 1,41,000, we will get 1,40,999. So this is the predecessor of 1,41,000. Now we will do question number C. The question number C is 5,90,203. So the predecessor of this number is 5,90,202. Now we will do question number D. The question number D is 82,40,000. When we subtract 1 from this number, so we will get the predecessor of this number. So the predecessor of 82,40,000 is 82,39,999. So we will write here the predecessor of this number. Now question number D. Question number E. Question number E is 7,46,29,323. When we subtract 1 from this number, we will get predecessor of this number. So 7,46,29,322 is the predecessor of 7,46,29,323. Now we will do question number F. The question number F is 11,23,71,068. When we subtract 1 from this number, so we will get the predecessor of this number. When we subtract 1 from this number, we will get 11,23,71,067. So this is the predecessor of this number. I hope you will be understand well. You will do this question also in your fair notebook. Now we will do question number 11. The question number 11 is write the successor of. We all know that when we find out the successor of any numbers, we will add 1 of that number in that number. So this is question A. Question A is 49,000. So we will add 1 to get successor of 49,000. So we will get 49,001. Now we will do question number B, 68,099. So to get successor of 68,099, we will add 1 of in it. So 68,100 is the predecessor of that number, this number. Now we will do question number C. Question number C is 8,39,999. So we will add 1 of this number. When we add 1 this number, we will get 8,40,000. So 8,40,000 is the successor of 8,39,999. Now we will do question number D. The question number D is 57,63,805. So we will write here the successor of this number, 57,63,806. So this is the successor of 57,63,805. Now we will do question number E. The question number E is 6,09,99,999. So we will write 6 crore 10 lakh. Will be successor of 6 crore 9 lakh 99,999. Now we will do question number F. Question number F is 38 crore 5 lakh 19. So we will add 1 of this number to get successor of this number. So the successor of this number is 38 crore 5,020. Now the exercise third A is complete. You will do this exercise in your fair math register. Thank you.